Canon 80D care package. Am I ready for this? Is this really happening? Yes, I am ready, and it is time, my friends, because I am going from a camcorder, which is what this is rolling on right now, to a full-blown DSLR, okay? I've been on the DSLR search for months. I put a lot of thought into which camera I want to get, and I finally chose it, the Canon 80D. Just seemed like the best overall camera. What's good, everyone? It's your boy Sando in the streets of Surrey, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Canon 80D care package. Let me tell you guys something. The wait for this package, like the long ass week-long wait for this package, felt like an eternity, son. Okay, so I'm finally glad it's here. This thing actually arrived Monday. I've just been waiting for like the perfect opportunity to actually, sit down and unbox this because I've been real busy with school, man. But anyways, Canon 80D unboxing. Let's get right into it, man. Let's not waste a second. Canon 80D unboxing. We gotta get right into this, okay? I've been waiting too damn long. I'm gonna use this trusty knife right here. I don't have one of those cool switchblade knives. I gotta use this one. Oh my god, I can already see all the good shit. Look at all this, man. Oh my god, yo, there it is. There it is. Hold up a second. The Canon 80D. Dude, my first true upgrade to a freaking DSLR camera. Dude, look at, hold on a second. We're gonna move that to the side. We're gonna move that to the side over here. We got some air packets. Hey, I prefer that freaking bubble wrap, you know what I'm saying? But hey, that's cool too. Now we're actually gonna start with this thing. Let me get the box out of the way first of all. Alright, so we got Moby Gorilla Pod from Joby. Okay, so yeah, max 5 kilograms or 11.11 pounds. Right off the bat, as you open it up, you can get a little manual inside. Okay, so it's basically instructions how to put this. Okay, so hey, your boy don't need instructions, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go in. Oh my god. Alright, this thing is cool, man. Dude, the feeling of this thing. Dude, this is a lot bigger than I imagined, dude, for some reason. Oh my god. This is a lot thicker than I imagined, dude. Wow, this is... Ooh, dude, that is smooth, dude. Compared to my freaking tripod, dude, that is smooth. So yeah, you can rotate it around. Jeez, this thing is firm, dude. It feels very firm, and it feels very robust. Okay, so there's two knobs. Both of them feel very smooth. One is to rotate the ball head, like rotate it, turn it around, and the other one's to control this little gyro right here. Yeah, this would definitely hold a DSLR camera. It's a very robust, rough tripod, and it's very great for vlogging too, because if you want to put it like that, fasten it, and have the camera facing you while you do your vlogging, it's a very cool looking setup. And plus you can also rotate it. So definitely, if you're going to get the Joby Gorillapod focus, then I would recommend you get the Ballhead X as well, because I mean, you're definitely going to need this to maximize your utility with the Joby Gorillapod. And I actually can take it off. Like, as you can see, it's just a little stub there, and it doesn't really give too much versatility in terms of how you want to get your shot. So definitely, if you're going to get this, then get this with the Joby Gorillapod focus. Next one we're gonna unbox, guys, is the Rode Videomic Pro. This is like one of the most popular shotgun mics on YouTube. Rode Videomic Pro. Open it up like so, and then boom. This is a lot bigger than I imagined, dude. If this is the Rode Videomic Pro, imagine the Rode Videomic Pro Plus. Dude, I've been looking at this thing like forever, but now actually holding it feels very good, dude. The old one was held together with rubber bands, and a lot of people were pissed about that, so instead they changed it to this kind of little suspension. So every time, like if you're moving around, if you're walking around vlogging, this microphone will not hit the bottom and create, additional sound on the mic. So there's a little clip right here actually at the bottom. Not a lot of people show it. A little clip to hold the wire in place. So boom, you can take it out like that. Ooh, you can feel the Rode in it, dude. So it's got these options right here. The top one is for on and off and the high pass filter, and the bottom one is how loud you want it. Now I've heard like a lot of these Canon DSLRs or Canon cameras, they have pretty bad preamps. If I set this to +20 and make all the adjustments, then you shouldn't be able to hear any of the white noise and just hear my audio. Comes with a little manual in there. Okay, I see. It shows you how to open the battery door. This is something they were raving for like so long, is this freaking battery door. Like, it's so hard to open. Okay, so packaging says 10-year warranty, integrated Rycote Lyre suspension, over 70 hours of battery life, which is incredible because it'll just last me the whole day. The one that's most important to me is the 20 decibel level boost, and that is going to really help me eliminate any preamp sound with the right settings on the Canon 80D. So if you're going to pair up a Rode Videomic Pro with the Canon 80D or any other Canon DSLR that has bad preamps, this would be a really great microphone to get. Either this or the Pro Plus if you really want to go all out. But I think this is good enough, man. The Rode Videomic Pro, definitely worth it. Now it is time for the main package, dude. The Canon EOS 80D, the one camera I've been looking at for months and months. Comparing that to a freaking camcorder, dude, this thing is gonna make sick video, man. Okay, so this is probably like a little bit of a manual. This is a bit of a CD that they're including right here, a little CD. First thing we got, battery charger, and it should slip out like so. Okay, sweet. So yeah, this is a little battery adapter. All right, what else we got in here? Oh, okay, so we got the lens. 18, yeah, okay, so 18 to 55 millimeter lens for the Canon 80D. It's got image stabilization on it. All right, so this is a little camera strap with the 80D name on it. Ooh, inside feels very cold, very leathery, dude. The outside of it feels, you know, very rough, but the inside feels like very soft, very leathery. And then finally, here's where the magic happens, son. Here's where it is at, dude. Okay, so this is the camera body. Got the bubble wrap, okay? I was saying I prefer the bubble wrap, so there you go. Oh my god, dude, look at this material. It's like wrapped together with like this kind of tissue type material you got. I'm gonna do this gently. I'm not gonna whip it out like the Ball X, dude. Dude, look at that. This is the body. Holy crap. I'm so thankful. This is gonna change the face of my channel, dude, with this high quality 1080p 60 fps. Okay, oh my goodness, dude, look at how big the touchscreen is. It's even bigger than my camcorders. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. Okay, so you press a button right here, and that's supposed to eject this little cover right here. So you press that, there you go. So that is the inside of the Canon. Very delicate stuff in there. Definitely don't want to get a fingerprint on it or anything because that's a sensor. Let's open this up. This goes in here. I'm trying to be so careful right now, dude. I do not want to mess this thing up, man. Okay, line up. Okay, that's lined up. Is that locked? Okay, I'm pretty sure that's locked. Yeah, that should be locked because usually in the videos they show the stabilizers like right here on top. Okay, so that is locked in. Oh shit, I forgot one more thing, dude. It's the battery right here. Freaking battery. Can't forget that, man. That's the most important thing, dude, the battery. So we got the battery in here. Does this thing come off? Son. Come on, dude. We did not come all this way just for a freaking battery door not to open. Okay, there you go. So you gotta peel back these two covers together to open up the battery. So there's a battery. So while I wait for this thing to charge, there's actually two more packages that I ordered after the fact, after I ordered the Canon 80D. All right, two more packages to go. This one I've already opened up, so let's get right into this one. A brand new SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB card. Okay, so you gotta peel this thing back. You gotta peel like the little handle back, and that's how you get into the good stuff. Yeah, there you go. Just right in there in that little carrying case. So I want to play it safe. Definitely get the 64GB. This one I'll put into my new Canon 80D for the test. All right, last box. All right, let's open it up. So as you may know, the Rode Videomic Pro is powered off 9-volt batteries, right? So I was thinking, because I want to go green, right? I caught myself this little EBL rechargeable 9-volt batteries. And this is going to be really useful to replace in case my Rode Videomic Pro runs out of juice. I can keep reusing these 9-volt batteries, and that's just gonna be the best solution. I'm yapping on about feel good vibes, and look what it says here. Look at the first thing it says. Smile. And if you turn that around, it says thank you. Okay, so right now guys, I'm gonna put my Joby Gorillapod on my Canon 80D. We're gonna attach the two and basically do a bit of a test. I'm not gonna mess with any of the adjustments, and I'm basically just going to do a first impression test. Canon 80D right out of the box. What does it sound like? What are the settings? What are the default settings? And compare that to this. So let's get right into it. All right, we recording, we live. Holy crap. Okay, so this is the new Canon 80D camera. Look at how wide this lens is. Dude, you can capture everything with this, man. Oh my god. Okay. The autofocus is on point. So if I wanted to focus on the background, I could focus on the background, but it's choosing, the default is face tracking. Okay, let me try, if I zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is probably the standard. If I move this up, hold on a sec. Hold up, man. What? Okay, so this is probably the closest I'm gonna get to my standard shot. So this is a very wide angle lens, okay? So 18-55mm lens. It's got image stabilization in it too. As you can see, it's following me very well. Very good autofocus. And I don't know how the onboard microphone is, the preamps in this thing, but you can actually plug in your headphones. It's got headphone jack on the side, and you can actually listen back to the audio just to give you an idea of how the audio sounds. Alright, so now I'm gonna just plug in the Rode Videomic Pro. No settings done to it, just turning it on, and we'll see the difference. Hold on a sec. Okay, so this is the Canon 80D with the shotgun mic on, turned on at 0 decibels. So how does it sound? Does it sound better? Does it sound worse? I don't know. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tweak it a bit. I'm gonna boost the microphone to +20 and bring down the camera's preamps. So let's do that. Alright, so this is the Rode Videomic Pro boosted at 20 decibels. And as you can probably hear, there's a major difference. All the hissing, all the noise, like white noise, is gone and, you know, minimized, and you can all you hear is like my voice and not that white noise. I'm holding this a little bit differently. I'm holding it like I'm vlogging, because in most cases I'm gonna be using the Rode Videomic Pro in a vlogging type situation, so it's definitely really good. One more thought I have to add: this is a heavy rig, okay? This is really hard on my arm. If you're gonna be holding this for a long time, just be, you know, mindful of that this is gonna be a really heavy rig. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, I really appreciate a thumbs up. Like if you like, cause here's go dislike, share and sub if you know what's up, and leave a comment to show me some love. It's your boy Sando in these streets. Peace out, y'all.